Hey guys, Juan Mazo here today, and I want to answer a question that I see all over the boards. Can you guess why drop shipping works even with long shipping times? The answer is really easy. Good customer service. That's it. Nothing else. Once people pay you and they ask you questions, they want to know if they're getting their product. The moment you reply, yes they are, once you're super transparent, telling them what's going on, of course they're going to be happy. They're not going to go look for, oh, where can I find this product cheaper? Like, no. Most people are actually busy, to be quite honest with you. And once they purchased and they found the product, they're done. The search is done. Maybe they're waiting to see any new offers that you have. Maybe you have interesting products. Maybe they think you have more interesting products on their way. But overall, as long as you're transparent, you tell them, hey, shipping time is going to be like 3 to 4 weeks. They're more than happy with that. They're pretty calm. It's the moment that 4th week hits and the product hasn't arrived yet. That's when things start going south. Now, another reason people are okay with long shipping times is depending on how much you invested in your brand, right? Maybe you're providing value through articles, or maybe you're just really cool and hip, right? Depending on how you position yourself in life, that is how you can expect people to be okay with shipping times. So no matter what you think, I know most new people to e-com always think like, guys, like once they get over the fact that they're reselling a product they found online, the next question is like, how do people even imagine, how do people even think that it's going to be okay to send a product with a long shipping time? They are. It's been proven. And again, it's just customer service. As long as you provide some good customer service, nothing is impossible. You can sell anyone anything. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if it was useful to you or not. Just post a comment down below or hit me up with a private message or DM. Add me on all my social media platforms. I'm adding more knowledge, more free answers, more questions, and more fire. Thanks for watching. Bye.